Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile in this 2017 Audi TTS. It's not straightforward at all, it's quite complicated. Now the best way I've found anyway, and to be honest, I never read the instructions, so I've just kind of muddled through it, but the easiest way I've found is if you click on menu, then you scroll or turn to telephone, click telephone, and you come up to a screen that says connect mobile phone. However, what you want to do here when you get to connect mobile phone is the silver button on the right of the rotary control. Click that, and then you've got connection manager, Bluetooth settings. So click on connection manager, primary phone, and then you go down to the phone you want to delete or deselect, whatever you want to call it, and then you click this right button again. You don't tick anything, you click that. Then it brings up another menu. Display Bluetooth profile, store as default, delete Bluetooth device. That's it, it's deleted. It's awfully complicated for what it is, way too complicated for what it needs to be, but that's how you do it. Unfortunately, you don't have to do it very often.